Hello my friends, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own AI picture. Yes, how to recreate your own AI picture at any scene, at any situation by telling a story. Yes, it's so easy to create. First step, when you upload the picture, then you have to describe how you want the picture to be at any scene, at any location, exactly what you want in real life. And this is the best AI. Even you can dictate that this is AI picture. Can you see the image here? Just look up here. This image here, okay, I created it today with AI. Okay, this is AI image. I told the AI that I want a picture of myself being arrested by Nigerian police in First Bank. And if you see the faces of the policemen, you can see that these faces of the policemen are also in Google. You understand? When you search it, you can see the faces of these policemen. They resemble Nigerian policemen. Okay, just look at their facial expression. You can detect that you have seen these men working in Nigerian police. You understand? So but you have to know that this is just educational purposes, because everything I'm teaching in this channel is for education. Okay, you have to learn because people are earning with AI, so I have to show you how to create AI content, how to earn with it, and how to monetize it. Okay, so when you want to do this, just do it for legal purposes. Okay, because you have to use it for creating content, do it the way others do. Don't go for anything against the law with everything I'm showing you. Okay, so right now let's dive into the PC. Okay, now we are going to create an image of myself. Okay, I will tell the AI that I want a picture of myself as a chief judge sitting in the court. Okay, this is what we are going to tell AI now to create. First of all, I will upload my own image. Then the AI will help me. I will describe what I want. Just follow it step by step. Okay, yeah. First step, you can use your PC or your mobile phone. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my PC to show you how to do this. Okay, so when you take your PC, then this is my channel here, IQC. Then let's go to Oreate AI. Can you see? This is Oreate AI here. You can see it here. So you can go to new project. So now, as you can see, I have 170 credits. Okay, you can see it here, 170 credits. So then now we are here. We have to create the image of myself in the court. Yes, we have to create the image of myself in the court. Okay, as a chief judge. Okay, then first step, you can write up to 5,000 words here. You can see it here, 5,000 words. So now let's go to upload. Then this is me. I will use this picture. Now I'm uploading the picture. As you can see, I'm uploading the pictures. Okay, the picture is done. Then let's tell the agent what I want to do here. I want a picture of myself. I want a picture of myself as a chief judge sitting in the court. Okay, now let's revisit our write-up. Okay, I want a picture of myself as a chief judge sitting in the court. Okay, full stop. Now let's Now let's see what is going to happen. Okay, see how the magic happens here. Let's go. I click. Now the AI is working on it. Remember the name. Just remember the name. Oreate AI. So this particular image, you can use it to narrate a story. Wow, guys, can you see something? Can you see something? Oh my gosh, can you see what AI? Oh my gosh, can you see something, guys? Oh my gosh, this is me as a chief judge in the court. Wow, guys. So so as I said, you can use this image as a content or telling stories. You can upload it in platforms and monetize it, okay, and earn with it. So that's the benefit of AI. When you know how to apply AI content, you will earn a lot, okay, because I earn with AI images, AI content. So that's why I'm showing you the only thing that can benefit you. That's what I represent in this channel. So whenever I see something that will benefit you, I have to create a video and show you how to do it, okay? So we are also going to create a movie with AI, okay? Once I have enough time, I will create a movie with AI and I will make the video and I will show you guys how to do it, okay? Now you can download it. Okay, now let me save it. Let me save it. Wow, it's saved. Wow. This is picture of myself. Okay, this is picture of myself as a chief judge inside the court. Okay, so you guys can see that AI is so powerful. AI will do a lot of things for you. Okay, so we have a lot to create, both cartoons for children, you know, for business, how to use it for business, for even we have how AI will help you to reply comments. You see what is happening in X handle, formerly Twitter. AI can reply comments there. You understand? So we have a lot to show. Okay, so in next video I will show you how AI will help you write movie, or after writing movie, how you are going to monetize the movie, and we are going to create a movie. Yes, we are going to use AI create movie in next video. Okay, so thank you guys, and always subscribe to my channel, tag your friends, anybody who, and if you have any question you can ask me. I will just write it on the comment section, so I will help you to make a video for that, or I will also reply you on the comment or you write me on inbox. I'm in all social media handles. You can go straight to my TikTok. Yeah, you can go straight there. Okay, so thank you guys. See you. Always subscribe, please, so we can grow this channel together. Yeah, thank you guys.